Alright, so today we're going to do a YouTube tutorial. First thing we want to do is type in www.youtube.com and you'll see plenty of icons on the left hand side. But before we can go there, we go to the right top, sign in. Once we get to this, we can sign in with our Google account. If we have one, if we don't, we can create one. But since we already have one, we'll go to next. Then our password. Once the password is in, it'll link us to our YouTube. Plenty of tabs will come up. So here to manage them, we have our YouTube icon, which will show us some recommended music and things of that nature. Here we have our YouTube TV, where we can use to watch educational films, YouTube gaming, YouTube music, YouTube for kids. This icon here so that we could actually create a video or upload a video if we chose to from our account. It'll ask that we want to upload as the person that is actually logged in, and you click either create the channel or use as a business or other name. Actually saw on another YouTube account that instead of going to create channel, you would actually go to use this tab here. So we're not going to upload anything at the moment, so we'll cancel out of that. Alright. To the other hand side, we have subscriptions. Here's where we can actually see what we are subscribed to and the type of YouTube channels that would come up for us within the classroom setting. Alright. Over here in our library, we have our history tabs where we click to watch later and like the videos that we might have clicked on. We have more from YouTube, which is you can watch TV shows and other movies. Settings is very important. You want to make sure that your settings are linked so that students will be able to watch any rated R type channels or views that might pop up. You can actually view or change account settings. So this is something that you might want to look into with your student, even kids at home, so that they won't see any provocative things that might be out of character. Alright, so on the settings, there are notifications. So again, you can determine what pops up as far as what you subscribe to, channels you subscribe to, comments that you want to see or want to block from videos of yours or others as you're watching. As always, with these tools, there's billing. There's a billing process, but as long as you keep the regular YouTube, I don't think you have to worry about that. History and privacy is very important. You have the option to select whether you want to keep liked or subscribed videos private or not. Alright, as we go back to the home screen, just on the top right side, this is the icon. where you can actually switch your account, sign out, adjust your other settings. And here's where you're gonna click my channel. This is again where you could create some stuff. Alright, in the classroom setting, you're dealing with special needs individuals. There are numerous things that you can do here. So, for instance, in a previous class, we were actually talking about bugs and mosquitoes. So, in a self-contained environment for those students, you could actually type in, bugs and insects and go to the tutorial, and they'll give you educational learning videos on bugs and tutorials for those. I think one of my favorites is marching ants. Yeah, the ants go marching one by one. There's another self-contained song that helps with learning how to count down and other things of that nature. Also, for those individuals that are more visual, which is more common, if you need them to see anything, for instance, talk about sports, I guess. So if you want to see something to the effect where you tell an individual that the pick and roll is something that they may not be great at, then you could type in, maybe I type it correctly, pick and roll drills. And instead of showing them a diagram, you can actually just show them a video, and then the video will come up, and maybe the visual will give them a better understanding. So here it is. This is YouTube. This is my tutorial on how to navigate through YouTube.